pool underwater lights flickering or not turning on. That usually means you gotta check those electrical connections first, like as soon as possible. So start by turning off the power to your pool lights at the main breaker, because safety is key, you know? Then, pop open the light fixture and check if any wires are loose or corroded. Those little things can totally mess with your light's flow. If you spot corrosion, a bit of baking soda and water mixed into a paste can clean it up nicely. Next, peek at the transformer or timer controlling the lights to make sure they're working right and set properly. Sometimes just resetting or replacing a faulty timer fixes everything. Also, don't forget to check the bulbs themselves. They can burn out faster underwater even if they look okay. If your lights flicker when a pump turns on, it might be a voltage issue, so you might want to get an electrician to test the power supply. Lastly, if you're dealing with LED underwater lights, keep in mind they need compatible drivers and may require professional adjustment. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool underwater lights flickering or not turning on is ignoring loose or damaged wiring. This can lead to bigger electrical problems or unsafe conditions, so always inspect and tighten connections carefully. Another common issue is skipping regular maintenance on the transformers and timers. These parts wear out and cause flickering if not checked every season, so replace or repair them as needed. The third mistake is using the wrong type of bulbs or trying to fix LED light problems without checking compatibility. Always use recommended bulbs and consult a pro for LED setups to avoid constant flickering or failure. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making pool light fixes way less stressful. Plus, it gives contractors a chance to connect with people looking for their services, so everyone wins.